Well, I guess we're still filming. We'll have to cut some of that. But anyway, wasn't here 2 minutes and old Hirsch wanted back in the car. He's back there having a snoozer. Okay, well, we're gonna try something here real quick. So the filming's gonna be a little shaky this morning, people. So bear with me. But I don't know, I might have discovered something. We'll see if that's true or not, or if it's a figment of my imagination. I don't have much time before work this morning, and I can't work on it during work hours because I got too much stuff on the go. But I don't know, I got thinking about something, thinking about it, and nothing's been working on this old Shakey. But one thing I've never ran in these cars is the current plugs that I'm running. They cross over from the plug that come out of it. I tend to always run AC Delcos, NGK, and yeah. I've never ran, can't say never, but it's a good chance. Damn near never have ran Autolite in my Chevys, and I was beginning to wonder if that didn't come back to bite me. So now I'm putting plugs back in there, probably 40 years old. And the favorite plugs that I just put in recently. Gotta talk a little bit louder. I don't have my mic in that. Sorry about that. It's just kind of a quick thing here this morning to try this out and cure my curiosity because it's bugging me. Little things are loose again. Can't believe it. Anyway, these are the crusty old plugs that come out of it. They're going right back in. They're AC Delco, Green Stripe 3, 40, what? 43s? R43 XLS. Huh. Great. Trying to get this done before the guys come in for work. We're about one plug away from finding out. Last rusty old plug to go in. Well, let's find out if it'll shake. It's still shaking. Tell you the truth, for sure, I thought I fixed the problem, but the whole Shakey's still shaking, so we're gonna keep it.